Kids drawing and learn.
Hello guys, let's learn some colors. Pink color, yellow color, light green color, red color, dark pink color, violet color, olive color, light blue color, orange color, and dark blue color. Now let's start alphabets. A. A is for apple. B. B is for balloon. C. C is for cup. D. D is for duck. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for frog. G. G is for grapes. H. H is for house. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jam. K. K is for king. L. L is for lamb. M. M is for man. N. N is for nose. O. O is for orange. P. P is for piano. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rose. S. S is for sun. T. T is for toys. U. U is for unicorn. V. V is for violin. W. W is for watch. X. X is for X-ray. Y. Y is for yard. Z. Z is for zigzag. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. Hi guys, see you next video. Now subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.